let's get to our first email question of the evening. This one is from Kim. Tonight, I got into a bad wreck the other day. My husband is still in the hospital, but the insurance people have been calling already. What should I do? I'm really upset, and I don't want to say the wrong thing. We'll throw this to the gator in the house. Ted, do you want to answer this one?
I will accept the email question. Yes, that's a tough thing to deal with there. You know, you're hurt, you're trying to get better, and all of a sudden they're already on the phone trying to get a hold of you when a time when you want to be focused on yourself and your injuries and getting better. And in a personal injury case, just like a lot of issues in the law, the old adage, anything you say can and will be used against you, is totally in play. So it's important, you know, at that point in time, you need to be focused on getting better. And I would try to get someone in there to help you to navigate that insurance call sooner rather than later. I have a horror stories, multiple of them, of clients going ahead and talking with the insurance company right away while they're in dealing with the aftermath of the wreck, still a lot of emotional turmoil and a lot of things going on in their head. And they just end up saying things, and these insurance companies, they're professionals, they do this every day, they deal with it every day, and they take people right down a path that leads to the detriment of their claim. And I know you've seen that as well, Les, that it's tough, and it's better to get someone in there to help you sooner rather than later.
Yeah, Ted, it really is a wise idea to get a lawyer involved real quick. You know, the thing is as soon as a claim is filed with an insurance company, the first thing they're going to do is they're going to have somebody call you to try to get some information. And like Ted said, you know, more times than not, especially if you have an injury claim, you're not really thinking about the legal aspects, the legal claim and everything going on with that. You're thinking about yourself, you're thinking about your family, you're thinking about your health, you're thinking about, am I going to be able to go to work tomorrow? How's my car going to fix? Your mind's wandering over 1,000 different things, and you're not really thinking about these little nuances and these answers to questions that could very well trip you up in a claim. Now, I'm not so cynical to think that you know, they're deliberately trying to steer you down a road, but they absolutely will ask you questions to make it sound like it's not as bad as it seems. And I know this personally just from having my own claims in the past. So, you know, the good thing to do is to go ahead, reach out and get a lawyer. They'll help you with a claim. They'll help you communicate with the insurance company. They'll make sure they get all the information that's needed in order to process the claim fairly and accurately so that you can be taken care of.